Hi everyone, welcome you all once again in your channel that is Shubham Tech. In this video, we are going to discuss about relay. What is relay, how the relay works, and what is the actual phenomena happening inside the relay. So first of all, as you can see in the image, there are 5 terminals of the relay, out of which first and 2 are the terminal of the coil, third one is common terminal, fourth is normally closed terminal, and fifth is normally open terminal. So let's try to understand the concept behind relay. Here we are using single pole double throw. Double throw means there are two contacts normally open and normally closed, and single pole means single common, means the common terminal switch between two terminals normally open and normally closed. Okay, that's why its name got single pole double throw, because the common terminal switch between two contacts normally open and normally closed. That's why its name got single pole double throw. Okay, now here we are considering two condition before and after. So first of all, we discussing about before condition. Okay, in before condition there is no voltage applied between these terminal. Okay, so these are the two bulbs are connected to same phase, and this terminal is connected to normally closed terminal via this common pole to this neutral. Okay, the path is like this, and another bulb is connected to phase and other terminal is connected to normally open switch. As you can see clearly, then found that there is no path for current to flow from normally open terminal to common, because there is no connection between them. That's why this bulb will remain in off condition. Apart from this, another bulb will glow because the neutral path is complete to flow the current from normally closed switch. Okay, this is the condition, first condition before applied the voltage. In the second case, when you 12 volt DC is applied across the terminal of the coil, then what will happen in the same circuit? When you apply the 12 volt DC across the terminal of the coil, a magnetic flux is produced in the coil. Due to this magnetic flux, EMF is induced and coil becomes energized. Due to this energization, a force is experiencing on the pole to attract towards the coil. Okay, that's why the pole gets shifted in this direction. Okay, this is the normally open contact. Now the path will complete like this. Okay, so this bulb gets on and will glow due to the complete path in this manner, and this bulb gets blow off and remain off in condition due to the disconnection from common terminal to normally closed terminal. Okay, so in this way we can switch our loads at 220 volt AC supply with the help of 12 volt DC supply. So you can control your home appliances like refrigerator, fans, press, coolers, AC, anything you want. With the help of 12 volt DC supply, you can control 20 volt AC supply. Okay, the question is raised here that whenever you detach or remove the 12 volt DC supply from here, then what will happen in the circuit? So let's try to understand this concept in detail. So as you can see in the circuits, when 12 volt DC is successfully removed from this coil, then what will happen? If you don't use a diode here, then a high voltage is developed across the coil. This high voltage causing damage the coil or burn the coil. Okay, that's why to protect or avoid the coil damaging, we use a diode here is in inverted manner. Okay, why we use in inverted manner? Because the reason is when you detach or remove the 12 volt DC, then the inductor opposed its current. That's why its terminal becomes opposites. Due to this opposition, this diodes gets on because this is the favorable condition for this diode. That's why the current freewheel in this manner. Okay, and energy release quickly. Okay, sometimes we can use a resistor in series with diode to flow the energy quickly. Okay, so in this way we can protect our relay while switching operation. Okay, so I'm going to show you live how the relay switched the load on 220 volt AC supply while applying the 12 volt DC to the coil. Okay, so as you can see in the circuit, the green LED is on, means all the relay is in off condition. Okay, when I press the button, then the coil energizes. Due to the energization, the contact shifted from normally closed to normally open. That's why green LED will off and red LED gets on. Okay, so when I press the button, that's red LED will open and will glow. Okay, now press second one. This red LED will glow. Switching is done here and here. Let's try third. Oh, these two LEDs operate at same time. Okay, as you can see, it's more clear to you when I press the button. So the coil energize and attract the contact towards its and energize these two loads, red LED and this LED plate strip. Okay, now the most interesting part of this circuit diagram is fourth relay operating principle. When I press the fourth button, then you can see clearly it's controlled 220 volt AC supply. So in this way, you can control 220 volt AC supply with the help of 12 volt DC supply. Okay, so this is how relay works. Thanks for this watching. I hope you understood the concept behind relay.